Water is so plentiful in some areas and so scarce in some others. Like I pray for rain all the time. If you want ways to conserve water, here are a few tips for you. If you have an electric or gas lawnmower, you can raise the blade 2 inches. And in doing so, the longer blade is going to protect the soil from drying out. And of course, then it will take longer before it needs water again. Something else you want to do is go around and check all of your hose bibs. Where the hose meets, see if it has a washer. Put one in or replace it if it's old. If you have a house that has a valley like this one does, you can put a rain barrel or a trash can, and when it rains, it'll just go right into that can. And otherwise, anywhere if you don't have a valley, just put it along the eave and that water will come down. And finally, instead of using the hose for patio washing or any area that has debris, put a little upper body strength in it and just sweep it off.